The one TradingView indicator strategy that works almost every day, that's what we're breaking down right now. If you've been struggling to find a reliable TradingView indicator that actually delivers consistent results, your search ends here. This isn't just another complicated chart. It's a powerful tool that shows you the trend and even gives you automatic Fibonacci levels. We're talking about the Fibonacci bands. This simple TradingView strategy is so easy, yet it works almost every single day, helping even beginners make money. In this video, I'll reveal exactly how to use it, the precise settings for maximum accuracy, and a full strategy that wins in any market. This is the TradingView strategy you've been looking for. Alright, so first things first. You gotta head over to the TradingView. That's where all the magic happens. Once you're there, just pull up any market chart you want to analyze. Me, I'm usually looking at Bitcoin against USDT on 15-minute time frame. But here's the cool part. This TradingView indicator is super versatile. Anything, crypto, stocks, forex, commodities, even options, doesn't matter. And the time frame, totally up to you. Whether you're into super fast scalping on a 1-minute chart or you prefer daily charts for swing trading or day trading, this thing adjusts. Next up, you'll see a button labeled indicators. Just click that. A search bar will pop up and you just type in Fibonacci bands. Now, this is important. Make sure you pick the one, especially by big beluga. There might be others, but trust me, this is the one we're using for our TradingView strategy. Quick heads up before we dive in, risk management is hands down the most critical part of trading. If you're new to it or need a refresher, make sure to watch my deep dive risk management video right after this. Links in the description and popping up on the card right now. This is key to protecting your profits when using any trading strategy. Okay, so once you've got the Fibonacci bands indicator on your chart, you'll see a few things pop up. It's got those color bands, right? And inside, you'll see some lines. Now, these lines are actually super important Fibonacci levels. We're talking 38.2%, 61.8%, and 100%. These show up on both sides of the price. Plus, there's a middle line, which might look like a moving average, but it's totally different, adapting based on those Fibonacci calculations. The top band is typically between 61.8% and 100% area above the current price, and the lower band is the same deal, but down below, between the 61.8% and 100% mark. Think of the Fibonacci bands like boundaries. Most of the time, the price is gonna bounce around with them. But here's the key to making this a truly profitable TradingView strategy. We need to do a quick optimization. So, go into the settings for the Fibonacci bands indicator. You'll find an Inputs tab, and there, change the period settings to 21. Then set the width to 0.7. And just for better visibility, go to the Style tab and make the lines a bit thicker. Does a small tweaks make a huge difference in how accurate this TradingView indicator strategy becomes our trading. Now, no TradingView indicator is perfect, right? So, we're gonna add a confirmation tool to make this strategy super accurate. This is where the CMAD custom indicator comes in. Go back to the indicator section in TradingView. And this time, search for CMAD custom indicator and add it to your chart. To use the CMAD effectively as confirmation tool, we need to make a few tweaks. We want it to calculate over longer periods and remove some visual clutter. So, head into the CMAD settings and the Style tab, uncheck this signal and MACD options. We only want the histogram enabled. That's all we need. Next, jump over to the inputs tab. Since we're on the 15-minute chart, we'll set the indicator to calculate using a higher time frame, like 1 hour. This helps us spot those bigger market movements. We also need to adjust the length. Change the fast period to 100 and the slow period to 200. That's it for the CMAD setup. So, how do we read this? When the histogram is above the zero level, that indicates bullish momentum. And when it's below the zero level, that means bearish momentum. Simple, right? Alright, let's talk about making money. What's our actual TradingView indicator strategy? What are our entry and exit rules for this simple strategy? Look at this Bitcoin 15-minute chart right here. You've got the price candles and then our Fibonacci bands with the upper band and lower band and the midline. For a buy trade, here's what we look for. First, the price needs to hit the upper band. Then it crosses the midline down and get close or even touch the lower band. After that, the price needs to cross the middle line up. That's our initial buy signal. But we need confirmation. Check the CMAD. If the histogram is above the zero level, the bullish momentum confirms our buy signal. For a stop loss, place it just below the midline. And for take profit levels, you can target 2R, 3R, or even 4R, depending on how much risk you're comfortable with. Honestly, some of these signals can even give you way more than 4R profit. The simple TradingView indicator strategy really delivers. Look at this other example. The price touches the upper band, comes down, touches the lower band, and then get that bullish breakout of the midline with the CMAD confirmation. This one could have easily made over 12R in profit. Super profitable, right? This is how this TradingView indicator strategy works almost every day. The exact opposite applies for a sell signal. The price touches the lower band, then moves up and touches the upper band. After that, look for a bullish breakout of the midline. The CMAD should confirm this with bearish momentum, meaning its histogram is below the zero level. And that's the whole simple TradingView indicator strategy. Happy trading!